Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with entering the settings, because I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's localize display and brightness, and here simply tap on eye comfort. Now we have to turn it on, so we will be able to customize it. And as you can see, after tapping on this switcher, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can change the screen color temperature by using this switcher. On the left, you've got the coolest tones available, and by going to the right, you can make it much warmer. So of course, set it just on the option which is the most comfortable for you. Here you've got also the display effects, so the colors, which basically means that of course the screen will be yellow, however you can still see the colors, for example in those switchers, or you can set it black and white and everything will be displayed in the monochromatic manner. So it's up to you. I prefer the color. You can also schedule that feature. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, you can choose the turn on and the off time, so your device will basically save those times and apply the eye comfort mode accordingly. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Alright, so that was the customization. Let's go back and let's try to have much faster access to this option. So let's unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it fully to open all of those icons, this section, and here we have to try to find the eye comfort mode, which I cannot see here. Oh, okay, it's right there. So all we have to do is to simply tap on this icon, and as you can see, the screen will change to those yellowish tones, and of course tap on it again to turn off the eye comfort. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.